Hello, welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to add customizable product to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, place cursor on products and then click on create custom product. Here you'll find all of your shop's products that have been added by you from products section of Shopify, and you can see that here are some products that I have already made customizable. Now here is another product that is not yet made customizable. So this is our product. Click on make it customizable. Now this is the window from where you can make the product customizable, and you can set product sizes, printing types and pricing, product colors, and you can define product size. From this window you will make each and every single part of your products customizable. So that's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.